Hello everyone. Today I'd like to introduce our best-selling QT4 semi-automatic cement block making machine. This production line is widely popular among small and medium investors because of its stable performance, simple structure, and cost-effective price. By changing different molds, this machine can produce various concrete products, such as hollow blocks, solid bricks, paver bricks, interlocking blocks, and curbstones. For 8-inch hollow blocks, its capacity reaches about 4,428 pieces per 8-hour shift. The whole line covers only 300 square meters of land and 50 square meters of workshop. It needs about 6 workers to operate, and supports voltages of 220 V, 380 V, and 415 V, 50 Hz or 60 Hz, so it can work in most countries. The complete line includes 4 main parts: a heavy-duty JQ350 concrete mixer, a 6-meter belt conveyor, the main block machine, and 2 manual block trolleys. We use stronger reducers and car rear axles on the mixer to make the whole line more durable and low maintenance. The machine features automatic feeding, automatic mold movement, and automatic block output. It's easy to operate, reliable in quality, and requires low investment. If you're planning to start a small block factory, this QT4 semi-automatic line will be your ideal choice.